Hi, okay, so in the previous video, we discovered how AI can change your life. And in this course, we are learning about a famous AI, the ChatGPT. But why is it popular? ChatGPT is an AI model where you give a prompt or a question, and based on your prompt, it generates unique responses or answers in text, image, and video formats. Now, you might be wondering, how does AI work? Allow me to explain. Imagine you get a pet parrot, but the parrot cannot speak. You bring it home and feed it lots of words, and eventually your pet parrot starts talking. Same is the case with AI. But how is AI trained? AI is trained on loads of text and information from the internet. It learns patterns and relationships between words. And then it gets smart, can generate responses for almost everything. So let's start learning. Before I show you how to effectively use ChatGPT, I'll do a quick guide on the sign-up process to make an account. Okay, let's do it.